Meaning of gunrunner.
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 Gunrunner. The term gunrunner refers to a person who is involved in the illegal trade of firearms. These individuals are often responsible for the trafficking of guns across borders or within countries, and can be associated with criminal organizations or terrorist groups. The negative impact of gun running includes increased violence and crime rates, as well as more widespread access to dangerous weapons. Governments worldwide have implemented various measures to control and prevent gun running, including stricter laws and regulations, international cooperation, and border patrols. Overall, gun running is a serious issue that requires continued attention and action to combat.